Example problem 1 says, how many grams are in 0.32 moles of helium gas? So the problem tells us that there are 0.32 moles of He gas, and He is the symbol for helium. We want to convert to grams. So we can convert from moles to grams in one step, because moles is treated like a base unit, whereas grams and number of particles, which is Avogadro's number, are treated like something with a prefix. So since moles are treated as a base unit and grams are treated like something with a prefix would be treated, this is a one-step conversion. So we draw our multiplication symbol, draw our division bar, bring moles of helium down, and bring grams of helium to the top. So the next part you're going to need a periodic table of elements for. There is a periodic table of elements in Moodle already for you. The table in Moodle is the periodic table that you will be getting for your exam. So I strongly recommend you use that periodic table to practice with so that you're prepared for your exam. So in 1 mole, there are 4.003 grams of helium. And so that would be the mass number. There's only 1 atom of helium because there is no subscript down here. So when there's nothing down there, we just assume that it's 1. So moles of helium cancels and we're left with grams of helium. And so in your calculators, 0.32 times 4.003 equals 1.28 grams of helium gas. Let me know if you have any questions about example problem 1.